Good evening, everyone. What's up? Just ate a satisfying meal. Topped it off with a meaty dessert. This is Mr. Hot speaking. Previously, there was a review on Reed's ginger candy. Today is the 254th review, and today's review is on Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Honey Granola Bars. There are 2 bars, 190 calories, 60 calories from fat, 6 grams of fat, 9% saturated fat, 0.5, 3%, 160 milligrams of sodium, 7%, 29 grams of carbs, 10%, 2 grams of fiber, 8%, 12 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, 4% iron. The ingredients are whole grain oats, sugar, canola oil, yellow corn flour, honey, soy flour, brown sugar, syrup, salt, soy lecithin, baking soda, natural flavor. It contains soy. Let's give this plain granola bar, crunchy granola bar a taste, shall we? This is what it looks like. Here's a close view of it. Overall, these are sweet and crunchy. They don't have much of a honey taste, though, despite it's called oats and honey. It tastes more like sugar than honey. Well, sugar is sugar, but if it's oats and honey, it should taste a little bit more like honey than sugar, than just pure cane sugar. But these taste very good. Pretty much just tastes like oats and honey granola, pretty much. So these are a nice snack. They are pretty addictive, though. They won't fill one up so easily. Overall, these get a 10 out of 10. These are very easy to find. They can be found at Sam's Club in bulk. They can be found at the grocery store. These are a very easy granola bar to find. That's all there is to say for this review on a common granola bar. So see you in the 255th review. Good night.